looks like a fawn. I want to go over there and see what it is, but I don't want the dog to follow me and then think it's a cat and wants to play. Do you see the ears? Who knows? It might even just be a piece of wood. Chris is on the tractor. I tried calling him 3 times and he didn't answer. And I feel like it moves a teensy little bit. There have been deer hanging out over there the last couple nights. They were actually out there a little bit ago. And then I don't want to spook it and have it go in the water. If it is a fawn. She just loves water. Unless you're spraying her with the hose, and then she doesn't think it's very fun. What in the world is that? Is it a fawn? It's gotta be a fawn. I was hoping the dog would go back up to the house so I could drive over there. See, do you see it move ever so often? I've gotta go see what it is. See, and then the dog just sits in there. She just sits in there. It's gotta be a fawn, because now it looks like it turned its head. Did you see that? She puts her entire head underwater. It is a fawn. I can see it moving its face, or its head.